Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this upper left, and with a twist I called it, where the gentleman wanted it a quarter of an inch off the top, a quarter of an inch off the side, and I've already made the hotkey to do that. And I started thinking while the other video was loading, why he would want that, because I normally would put a plaque up to the corner. I want it in the corner, no matter what size plaque I wanted. But I started thinking, if you were going to lay out a bunch of name badges, and I wouldn't use a quarter of an inch, I'd use an eighth of an inch to save wood. But I'm going to hit the letter O hotkey, and then I'm going to grab the step and repeat, which is under Edit. And I'm going to space between objects 0.02 to the right, 7 of them. Go down here, now select them all, go to step and repeat, no offset, and on the vertical, spacing between objects, going down, 7 of them. And in that quick, you've laid them out, and they're not going to touch on the edge. So that is a pretty good little deal there. I've grouped these together. I'm real curious where the hotkey puts them up there, and it does. So you could make them wherever you wanted to on the page, and then hit the O key to put them where you wanted a quarter of an inch off the page. So that is a good little macro. And if you didn't learn or watch how to make that, you might want to back up and watch that one. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.